Welcome to Casey's SEO, and today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite tools. So if you are a local business owner, or maybe you run an SEO agency or have lots of clients, this one tool will save you thousands of dollars of work. So we have the Google Service Description Creator tool. Now what this tool will do, will go out and find any of the services that your competitors are offering and then rewrite them with your business information. Put in those, so it literally takes a few minutes to go through and cover any and all services that you may need to add for your GMB. So what I'm going to do first is select a company, and the reason why I'm selecting a company is because it's going to use some of this information when it writes the descriptions. So next, I'm going to click on search by business name. And here I'm just going to add a business name exactly as you would see it on your GMB. And then I will give it a city and state. I'm going to click search businesses. I do occasionally get this little error here, which is not an error, it's just saying it cannot find the business, which is not true. And then you click on that again and then it works. But you may have that happen from time to time. But now what I'm going to do is click on scrape services. So it went through and found all of the services that this company is offering on their GMB. And since it did go through and do a scrape, it sometimes picks up some quote-unquote services that are not actually correct. It may have picked up some additional information from the Pro Services page. But what you would need to do then is go through and remove any services or anything that does not pertain to your business. Now let's just say you went through and scraped a competitor and they only had maybe 5 different services listed. You could go back through and keep doing this for as many competitors that you have or would want, and you're going to then get a complete list of all the different services all of your competitors have. From there you can sort through, remove whatever you need to, and if you just want some more general ideas, you could always type in a little keyword here and then just let AI find some additional keywords that you might want to include. Now this will just take a second. So it said it found or added 29 additional keywords, and then you can see all of those right here. But for our example purposes, we're going to go through and delete a bunch of these. So from here, we are now going to hit generate Google Business Profile descriptions. So it's going to create a 300 character or less description based off of whatever services you have up here. And then this will take a moment. Now, if you have 100 different keywords or services up here, then this will take a little bit longer to generate. But once this is done, it's going to autosave in your folder, but then you will also see them right down here. If you want to save it somewhere else, then you have that option. You can always save it here or copy to your clipboard. But it is a very easy and simple way to generate descriptions for all of your GMBs within a few minutes. And then the fun part, which will take you all day, if you have 100 different services you need to put in for any of your clients or yourself, it's going to take a while to add those to your GMB, but the hard work is done and you can get basically your GMB optimized and ready to go within a good 30 minutes, from a couple minutes here and then another 20 minutes putting them into your GMB. So if you guys have any other questions or want to check out any of the other tools, visit Casey'sSEOtools.com.